Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. Just a quick video. I want to show you something you may have never heard of before. That's a candy roaster squash. They grow them in the south, but the seeds can be hard to find. Some of the seed companies carry them. I got my original seeds from a lady at either North Georgia or South Carolina off of Etsy. And I'll tell you something, if you've never grown candy roasters, you're going to go, I got to get me some of these. They're really large, and they're kind of like a butternut acorn, but sweeter, hence the name candy roaster. So I'm going to turn this around and walk you through this thing. Now, what you're going to be seeing is I have a small raised bed with 2 plants. Hard to believe, but this is going to be 2 plants. Here we go. We're going to start way up here, and the heat's already got them starting to wilt. I've sprayed it with kale and clay. Now way out here at the end, and there's a candy roaster growing. Now that one is probably, see if I can get my hand in here, 6 inches. Just a little baby. Little tiny baby. Now, as we roll up here, I want you to see the size of this plant. This is one runner. Here's another candy, here's another fruit. This one, more than a foot. Here's a branch here, runs way down there. Over here is another branch. Let's see if there's any on this one yet. Don't see any yet. Here's the actual raised bed with the 2 plants coming out. I had a vine borer get a hold of a piece of one, and I dug out the worm and put a half a bag of potting mix on top, because I got to protect that. I got to keep that sucker alive. Now down here is where the real action is. This is just mind-boggling. Here's another one. You can get an idea from my hand how big it is. Then that one is even bigger. There's another one in there. Another big one there. Wow. We'll keep walking down here. There's a female blossom. So, I'm going to see if I can get positioned and show you that really huge one. Now that I've gotten over here, I can't really tell which one I was going to show you. Look at the size of that boy. That one's 1.5 feet. Oh, this must be the really big one. I'm going to get a hand on it here. Give you an idea of its size. That one's close to 2 feet. That one's 1.5 feet. That one, there's another little one right through the leaves in there, you can see. So there's 6 to 10 fruit in here, and this plant has got to be 30 feet from end to end at this point, so you're going to want to give it a lot of space, but it will produce. These things, 2 feet is not unusual. 2 feet long, 8 to 10 pounds. Delicious. Wonderful food. You'll love it. Keeps well. Which of course, for 2 of us, if we get 8 or 10 of these, it's going to have to be a good keeper for us to be able to eat that much. So, this is David at Grow and Eat This with a tip on a great summertime growing winter squash. Candy roaster. Thank you for watching.